When everything collapses and survival is the only goal, your rifle matters more than ever. Reliability, durability, and versatility can mean the difference between safety and disaster. In this video, we break down the 5 best survival rifles for the apocalypse-tested designs that thrive when maintenance is limited and conditions are brutal. Whether for defense, hunting, or long-term survival, these rifles are built to keep you alive when nothing else will. Number 5. Bargain Basement Blaster DPMS Sporticle is often remembered as a true bargain basement blaster in the AR-15 world, designed to offer a lightweight, no-frills semi-automatic rifle for casual shooters, budget-minded buyers, and entry-level AR owners, typically chambered in 5.56 ATS. 223 Remington and built with a slick, lightweight upper that omitted features like a dust cover and forward assist to reduce cost and weight. The rifle gained popularity for being simple, easy to handle, and reasonably accurate for range use, varmint shooting, and basic home defense, especially during years when AR prices were climbing across the market. The pros include very affordable entry into the AR-15 platform, lightweight and easy handling, simple and reliable operation for casual shooting, acceptable accuracy for plinking and training, and compatibility with most standard AR magazines and accessories, making it a decent foundation for beginners who wanted an AR without paying premium prices. The cons are its lack of mil-spec features, no dust cover or forward assist, basic trigger and furniture, limited long-term durability compared to higher-end ARs, and a reputation for being more of a range rifle than a hard-use or duty-grade firearm, while resale value is usually lower than better-known premium AR brands. In terms of price, the DPMS Sporticle originally sold new for around $500 to $650 USD, and today, used examples typically trade between $400 and $700 USD depending on condition and market demand. Overall, the DPMS Sporticle fits its reputation perfectly. A simple, affordable AR-15 that does exactly what it was designed to do, making it a solid choice for budget shooters who want basic AR performance without unnecessary extras or high cost. Number 4. Savage Model 42 Takedown Compact is a lightweight, versatile, survival-style combination gun designed for campers, hikers, trappers, and small-game hunters who want maximum utility in a compact, easy-to-transport package. Featuring an over-under configuration that pairs a 22 LR or 22 WMR barrel over a 410 bore shotgun barrel with a simple break-action design and tool-free takedown capability that allows it to be packed into a backpack or vehicle with ease. The pros include excellent versatility for small game, pests, and survival use, very lightweight and compact size, simple and extremely reliable break-action operation, quiet and efficient rimfire performance, low recoil, and takedown portability that makes it ideal for outdoor adventures, youth shooters, or emergency kits, while the dual trigger system allows quick selection between rifle and shotgun barrels. The cons are its limited range and stopping power, slow reload speed due to single-shot barrels, basic sights and heavy trigger pulls, plastic-heavy construction that feels utilitarian rather than premium, and the fact that .410 ammunition can be relatively expensive and less effective compared to larger shotgun gauges. In terms of price, the Savage Model 42 Unshibush Takedown Compact typically sells new for around $450 to $550 USD, with used examples often found between $350 and $450 USD depending on condition. Overall, the Savage Model 42 is not meant to replace a full-size hunting rifle or shotgun, but it excels as a practical, packable, and reliable survival and small game firearm that delivers flexibility and simplicity at an affordable price point for outdoorsmen who value function over firepower. Number 3. Kel-Tec Sub-2000 is a compact pistol-caliber carbine designed around portability and magazine compatibility. Best known for its unique folding design that allows the rifle to fold in half and fit easily into a backpack, vehicle compartment, or discreet carry case, while being chambered in popular calibers like 9mm, 40 S&W, and accepting common handgun magazines from Glock, Smith & Wesson, Beretta, or SIG depending on the model. The pros include extreme portability due to its folding design, lightweight construction, shared magazine compatibility with popular pistols, low recoil and easy control, good reliability with quality ammunition, and affordable entry into the PCC, pistol caliber carbine category, making it attractive for home defense, range use, and travel or truck gun rolls. The cons are its utilitarian polymer construction, average trigger quality, limited factory ergonomics, awkward optics mounting due to the folding design, often requiring aftermarket solutions, snappy recoil impulse for a blowback system, and a feel that is more functional than refined, especially when compared to higher-end PCCs. In terms of price, the Kel-Tec Sub-2000 typically sells new for around $450 to $650 USD, while used models are commonly found between $350 and $550 USD depending on generation, caliber, and condition. Overall, the Kel-Tec Sub-2000 is not a precision or duty-grade carbine, but it excels as a highly portable, affordable, and practical pistol-caliber rifle that offers unique convenience and versatility for shooters who prioritize compact storage and magazine compatibility over refinement and premium features. Number 2. Ruger 1022 is one of the most popular and influential semi-automatic rimfire rifles ever made, renowned for its reliability, simplicity, and endless customization potential, making it a staple for beginners, seasoned shooters, hunters, and competitive rimfire enthusiasts alike. Chambered in Xiaom B 22 LR, it features a simple blowback action, Ruger's proven rotary magazine, and a lightweight, easy-handling design that has been in continuous production since 1964. The pros include exceptional reliability, low recoil and low operating cost, excellent inherent accuracy for a rimfire, massive aftermarket support for barrels, stocks, triggers, and optics, easy maintenance, and suitability for everything from plinking and small game hunting to serious competition builds, while its ergonomics and mild report make it ideal for new shooters in training. The cons are that the factory trigger is often heavy, out-of-the-box accuracy varies by model, higher-end upgrades can quickly exceed the cost of the rifle itself, and basic models feel utilitarian compared to premium rimfire rifles, especially once shooters experience upgraded builds. In terms of price, standard Ruger 1022 models typically sell new for around $250 to $400 USD, with upgraded factory variants ranging from $450 to $700 USD, and used rifles commonly found between $200 and $350 USD depending on condition. Overall, the Ruger 1022 is a legendary rimfire platform that delivers unmatched versatility, affordability, and long-term value, earning its place as one of the most recommended firearms of all time. Number 1. Henry AR-7 is a lightweight takedown 22 long rifle. 22 LR, semi-automatic survival firearm originally designed in the late 1950s by Eugene Stoner and now produced by Henry Repeating Arms, notable for its ability to disassemble quickly and store all major components, including barrel, receiver, and magazines inside its waterproof synthetic stock so it can be easily carried in a backpack or survival kit, and even float for a short period. It weighs about 3.5 tonnes, measures roughly 35 hours assembled, and 16. 5 ounce stowed, feeds from standard 8-round magazines, typically 2 included, and has adjustable sights with a 3/8 dovetail for optics, making it suitable for small game hunting, recreational plinking, and as a compact emergency firearm with Henry's lifetime warranty backing it. The pros include its lightweight and extremely portable design, easy disassembly and storage with parts fitting neatly in the stock, relatively accurate performance for a .22 rimfire at survival ranges, ability to mount optics, and reasonable reliability, especially with higher velocity ammo, which all make it an excellent choice for backpackers and outdoor enthusiasts. The cons are that the stock can feel odd due to thickness, ammo choice affects cycling reliability somewhat, and basic iron sights can be harder to acquire quickly without enhancement. In terms of price, the Henry AR-7 commonly retails around $280 to $400 USD depending on finish and retailer, offering very good value for a purpose-built survival .22 rifle. If the world goes sideways, these survival rifles could mean the difference between thriving and just surviving. So hit like, subscribe, and tell us which one you'd trust when everything falls apart. More hardcore survival gear and rifle breakdowns coming soon. Because when the apocalypse hits, choices matter.